Hello, this is AJ from Illuminate Palace Power Wash Services. We're out here in one of the HOA complexes, complex in East San Jose. Residents actually complain about really heavy accumulation of mold, algae, lichen. So as you can see, right in front of their main entrance, and that's a slip and fall hazard. So what we're going to do is we're going to sanitize this properly and then clean it. I will do another follow-up video, so stay tuned. So I just got done doing the soft wash treatment. So as you can see, it used to be really dark green and brownish. All the algae, mold, and lichen is pretty much gone from this area. I'll shoot another video out. We just got done. We had to do a little bit of a pressure washing here just to rinse it off. As you can see, the results. You remember this area was filled up with algae, mold, Leocapsomagma, other kind of bacteria. Really bad slip and fall hazard. Already been sanitized and cleaned. And if you have HOA or you are one of the management, you can give us a call. We can take care of this for you guys. Number here is 408-693-5140. Website is www.ippws.com. And we have state-of-the-art equipments, anywhere from small job to large jobs, commercial wastewater recovery, oil water separator. So we're equipped with state-of-the-art equipment and to tackle any kind of big or small jobs. Roof cleaning, building wash, house wash. Give us a call, 408-693-5140. Thank you.